Okay, for all you snow removal people out there, I'm going to show you a way that I think I can save about 50% off the snow deflector that goes right on the top of your plow. I seem to be flying through these snow deflectors with my truck here doing snow removal commercially. I got the Snow Dog MD2, love the plow, but I am flying through that top deflector there. And I already took it off, but went through about 2 of them. They crack, they break, they fall off, and 2 of them in a few seasons. So I think I found a way maybe to save about 50%. A little bit more work, but I'm hoping it'll be just as good, maybe even better. But the full price for one of these deflectors for this plow is about $120, $130 from the manufacturer, from Snow Dog buyers. But hoping to do this at, I think I got a part for about $67, $70, and I think it'll work great. Let's check it out. Okay, so here we go. What I did was here's the box. I bought a roll of, I believe, 1/4 inch rubber, and at about the length of the whole plow. The only catch is I need to measure and drill in the holes. But this is actual rubber. What you get from the manufacturer, from Snow Dog, it's not a bad deflector, but it's not this thick. I think this is like 8 inches. Or I mean, not this wide. This is like 8 inches, I believe. And it's more of a plastic deflector that you get, so it cracks easy. It's just not as flexible and durable in the cold. So I'm hoping this will actually be better. I just got to drill some holes, measure, and we'll see how long it takes me. I know some of you out there have probably been doing this for years. This is new to me, so this is more for you new snow removal guys out there that maybe paying full price for that snow deflector from Snow Dog or any other manufacturer, Western, Boss. Same thing. You can buy these. I'll give you a link in the description of this video, but you can buy bulk rolls like this, have it shipped for a pretty reasonable price. Some of them are not charging that great of a price. And but there are some good deals on eBay. I'll put the link down there. Okay, so I am just going to unscrew all these bolts and nuts on the plow here. Got to put a wrench in the back here, so you get the idea. I got to take all of these off, and then I'll take off this this part right here. Okay, so I just got all the bolts and washers off the back, and again, this is a Snow Dog MD2, so every plow is going to be a little different. But actually, here's the remaining piece of the old deflector. This is all that's left of it. So it's like a hard rubbery plastic. It's more plastic than rubber, I feel, but it's actually about the same thickness of this rubber I got. But again, this stuff's going to be a lot softer. Hopefully it won't tear through holes. So I'm going to leave a little bit extra on the backside so the holes don't rip out. But this stuff cracks so easily. Like I said, I've flown through these deflectors. They're a little bit more rigid. So I'm hoping that rubber will actually be better. Here we go. I'm going to take this off. Just make sure you put everything back together the same way. This deflector was right in between here, so I'm going to leave some excess rubber on this side so that it doesn't cut through the rubber holes. But then this presses down pretty good, so I think that rubber's not going anywhere. So yeah, I'm going to take this whole piece off right here. Okay, Snow Dog made it really easy actually. So that first one is 3 inches from the edge, but everyone after that is exactly so 3 plus 12, it's exactly 12 inches on center from hole to hole. So right there is, yep, 12 inches on center, hole to hole. They'll be really easy to cut through. Now, so this is a 9-inch deflector. So I know some of you guys are like, probably prefer a little bit more coming off the top for your deflector, like 12-inch or more. Personally, I'm just gonna try this out, see how this works. I don't see it being a problem having the 9-inch, but we'll see. We'll give it a test. Here we go. Okay, so here we go. I got all the bolts and nuts tightened up here with the washers. Got it tightened in real good. Here's the rubber deflector. Like, I cut about, or I drilled the holes about 1 inch in, so that hopefully it won't tear. But it's hanging down pretty low. But I think this will work just fine. Again, this is a half-ton plow. Plows that move more snow, you might want to get a deflector beyond 9 inches like what I got here. So anyway, it went in good. We'll see how this holds up with plowing. I just gotta now cut the excess off here because where I got it on eBay, you just buy a roll per, and you just pay per foot. So it's just a bulk roll, but like I said, half the price, not too much work, just drilling holes and lining it up. And we're gonna see how this works. I'll try to take a short little video after I use it on the storm that's coming here. Go from there. Okay, tip of the day for snow removal and getting the truck to do snow removal. I do not recommend getting a nice newer truck. Even though they look great, they will look like this truck after a couple seasons. This is the perfect plow truck. Just make sure your tetanus shot is up to date.